Hey, what's going on, guys? It's AWESOMENESS Tech and welcome back to another video. And today I have the 60W Magsafe 2 power adapter. I know this is just a few years old, but I am getting a new Mac soon and it's a MacBook Air, so I decided to buy a brand new one, do an unboxing of this. And it looks pretty fresh though. I expected it wasn't going to be like an official Apple box from Apple. Well, from Amazon actually. But I bought it from Amazon. And I had it shipped within 1 day because of Amazon Prime. And then, surprisingly, it's actually in an official box. Alright guys, let's get into this. Got our trusty duty knife right here. Alright, where should we cut this open from? What's the best place? Let's do from the back. And just slice right there. Oh, jeez. Oh, that looks really nice, actually. Wow, it's actually a lot better than the L-type connector. I think I have an 85 watt on my other computer, but let's just open it up. I'm pretty sure you go like this. Yep. Otherwise, I think it was the other way, but who cares? Ooh. Wow. Oh, it still got some wrap and everything on it. Oh, sweet. Let's just put this to the side for right now. Put this back in there. Oh, wait, wrong way. Wait. No, I'll just do it like that for now. Wow. That's a huge chunk, though. Yeah, but I've noticed that they switched to USB-C, so I think I like that better than this huge chunk. I'm big brain, aren't I? Wow, I tried doing that when I could just pull. Okay, yeah. So I bought one of these for 10 bucks, but good thing I can use it with my other one. So that's nice, but it's also not official. But this is actually super nice looking at. Ooh, let me just pull this one off too. Oh my gosh, these pulling off ones are starting to get annoying. Okay, cool. It's like a little clip if you're going places, but I don't think you really need to take it off and put it back on. But, you know, if you're that kind of person that likes to have nice, clean stuff, I'm not. All right, so let's just pull this off. Ooh, I miss these satisfying unboxings of stuff and just pulling off the things from the iPhones. And then you just pull that off and then do it like that, and there you go. And then you got a 80-foot long distance cable for a charger. This is super long though. Holy wow, I'm really liking this so far. All right guys, I appreciate you guys sticking till the end of the video, and I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment and tell me how I did. But it looks pretty good though. I can't wait to use my new Mac though in just a couple of weeks. Shout out to Cast Dev for sending me out the laptop, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.